Why is it not taking this? What's it saying? Reflect. Reflect? Karen, what does that mean?
Don't forget to take your radio to work. Plug it. If they're there, they're there. If they're not, they're not. I don't worry. You had a good over 2 weeks off, didn't you?
Oh, yeah.
I'll go to the doctor tonight.
You know what I think it is, Karen?
There you go.
Yeah. Yeah, 'cause I work.
Oh, you're recording it.
Oh.
You're recording him eating nuts.
No.
We seem to have more stuff.
Here, I did that pot in the apple pie.
Hey.